So how do you make a payment on your account if you've got something to pay? All you need to do is log into your gateway page. You'll be sent an access code via phone, most likely. That's what they did for me. So you receive the code, you enter it, and here is make a self-assessment payment. If your tax due is after a certain limit, it will ask you to make your future payment as well. But my figure was quite small, so I've chosen debit or credit card, and it charges I think 11%. Enter the email address so they can inform you that the payment was done. Enter your address and click continue. You can check your details and click continue and enter your card details. So I'll fast forward from here. You know how to enter the card details, and click pay now. You might have to approve it on your bank site, and you get confirmation that you've made the payment.